Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the cold or hot water supply in Bosch Dishwasher SMV. So, in the first step, hold the set to button for 3 seconds, then click on the speed perfect button again until you see A00, and the A00 means it's a hot water supply, it's turned off, so now you can connect your dishwasher to the cold water. But if you want to connect it to the hot water, tap on the start once. As you can see, now we have I01. Now that means it's turned on, and you can connect the hot water supply to your appliance. To apply the setting, just click on the setup button and hold it for the 3 seconds. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.